Hey, it's Tax Whips time from TaxMama.com. Today, Tax Mama hears from Richard, who wants to come in from the cold. He says, I was in rough financial shape for several years and have not filed a tax return in 3 years. How do I go about squaring up with the IRS now that my finances have improved? Well, Richard, Rita Lewis, an enrolled agent from Dollars and Cents in Connecticut, comes to the rescue, and she provides excellent advice. Something to remember going forward. Always file your tax returns on time, even when you can't pay in full. You avoid the late filing and non-filing penalties, which are substantial. Things like installment agreements and being put on non-collectible status are available to you. For now, file those returns as soon as you can and pay them in full if possible as soon as you can. If you need help, you should be able to find someone local who's comfortable with filing prior year returns and has the time to work with you during this off-season. If you used a professional preparer in the past, you might want to return to him or her. Your preparer may have you sign a power of attorney for those years, so he or she can use these services to download the information IRS has in the way of W-2s, 1099s, etc., as well as withholding you might have. Pull out your receipts in your calendar to help you reconstruct those years. Organize as much as possible to save yourself accounting fees. Sort things into each other. Gather check stubs, W-2s, 1099s, and so forth. Anything that shows your income and expenses. Pull out a copy of the last return you filed. Use it to remind yourself of the types of income and deductions you've had in the past. Also, give a copy to your preparer if you use one. Come back here if you have specific questions as you lay out each year's return to file, and read Tax Mama's suggestions in case you want to gather the information from the IRS on your own. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about catching up on unfiled years and other tax issues free. Where else? At TaxMama.com.